Oh. Okay, Lauren, you have to be quiet.
Number 2.
Okay, number 2.
8 and 15.
Okay. Practice 9-4. You do 8 squared plus b squared equals c squared.
Okay, well, what is it? 8 and what?
And then you replace the numbers. Do I really have to talk? Okay. And then you replace the numbers with 8 squared,
8 times 8 is 64, right?
15 squared equals c squared.
What's 15 times 15?
You don't have your chart?
25.
And then 8 squared is 64, and 15 squared is 225. And then you add up 225 and 64. And that equals 289. And then 289 equals c squared. And 289 is next. Let's see what's it's in between. 289 is on 17. So it would be 17 squared. You do c equals 17, not squared, not squared. Okay. I'll say something. Aaron, what's his name? What's his last name? Chavera.
Chavera.
Which one is your princess? Oh, Trigo? No, she might be a basketball.
Okay, now we're doing number 3. And it's a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And then you replace a squared for 10 squared and b squared for 25 squared.
10 times 10 is...
And 10 times 10 is 100, and 25 times 25 is... I need a calculator. Get it.
Okay, thank you.
So... Oh.
Dude, what the heck?
Erase it.
What was 20 times?
20, someone get out their chart.
Okay, here I come. Oh, wait. I'm coming towards you. I have it.
What?
I'm already going to beat you.
Wait, is it? It's 26.
Wow.
Never mind, you replace b for 26
This isn't YouTube.
Oh, darn.
squared.
Is 26 even B?
26 is actually...
26 is C.
Oh.
What do you mean?
We should start over. We should start over. Yeah, we can start over. Just start a new one, dude. Just start a new one.
Why are you drawing this?
I know, Ellis. Come on, bruh.
It's 26 is down here and 10 is...
Right there. So you're looking for
So we're
B.
looking for B.
Well, then never mind.
So
You don't do
26 has
that.
to be on the right side.
So then you replace a squared for 10 squared. And then b squared for 20, and then b squared stays the same.
And then this one turns...
And then c squared turns into 26 squared. 26. Shh. Shh. Shush. Okay, 100 plus b squared. Do b squared equals 26. No. Is 876. Replace 26 for 876. Can you please be quiet?
Where I put this?
Right. Replace this for
This?
Ooh, he just took your phone. Suckers.
Alright,
Take it after school.
Okay. 276.
6 and 7.
And then you replace 26 squared for 676. And then you do 600, and if you're solving for the short side, you do 676 minus 100. And that's that's 576. 576. So b squared equals 576.
Wait, that's all we gotta do?
So you need the square root of that.
And then the square root of 576 is, what's she talking? It's 24. Right there.
So, what, just put
20.
equals 24?
Do little squigglies though, like that, and then like that. Oh my God, like this. Oh, not like that, but I'm writing with my left hand. So.
I was not cheating.
They were cheating. Oh snap. So, and then b equals 24. Okay, number 4. Solving for x.
Start by drawing the picture.
So draw the picture.
Like that?
Yeah, draw. Go. Keep going. Come on. Yeah, go. Yes, it's good enough, Ellis. Go. Just go, just go. And then 6 times 5, and you're solving for x. So you do a squared plus b squared
Plus what?
plus b squared
Okay, I got this.
equals c squared.
Okay, I know that. So now,
And then you put in, Ellis, you do x as b squared, right?
Where's the right angle?
Right here. Right there.
And what side is always across from the right angle?
And the side that's always across from the right angle is c squared, is c. So then you replace 5 and 6 for a squared and b squared.
so what am I?
So a squared equals 5, and b squared is 6. Equals c squared, and then 5 squared is 25, and 6 squared is 36. And then you add those together. And carry the 1. And then it's 61. And then c equals,
Is it square?
no, yeah. C squared equals 61. And then you go to the chart and you look where 61 is. And it's in between, and it's 8. Well, no, it's in between 47 and 8. So it'll be 7.7 because it's closer to 8. 7.7. So C equals 7.7. Yeah. Now number 5.
Okay, please don't do this. This is cheating again. Standing right here.
Ellis, how do you do this one?
So draw the shape.
First you draw the shape.
Is that good?
Sure.
That's perfect.
I put the little lines.
Uh-huh.
Oh god. That's good enough.
Yep. So X, 12, and 12.
So find the right angle.
So you find the right angle.
Everywhere.
Well, pick the one that has the 2 sides you know.
And then you pick the one that has the 2 sides that you know.
So then what's across the right angle?
So what's across from the right angle?
What side would that be? C. So now you have a right triangle, and you're solving for C.
Across from the right angle is C, so now you have a triangle and you're solving for C.
So I just do the same thing.
What's she twerking with? We should just start singing. What? Huh? Want me to mark your face? Just kidding. Okay, and then it's 144 squared plus 144 squared equals c squared. And you do 144 plus 144 which equals 288.
Paying attention to you.
So c squared equals 288, and we'll go see where that is in the chart. It's between 17 and 16, or 16 and 17, but it's closer to
Go by the.
No,
17, so it'll be 16.7, 16.6.
16.6?
Yeah.
Guess they're.
What's she twerking with? So C equals 16.6 on number, what number was that? Number 5.
New text message.
Oh, snap.
I'm just kidding.
Now it's number, what number is it? It's number 6. And we're gonna draw the shape. So you draw the shape and you find the right triangle and would the base be 10? Yeah, it would. The base is not 10.
But
Half
just
of
the right triangle part.
it would be 5.
If we just want the right triangle, we don't care about that side. So this would be 10, it would just be
5. 5.
5.
So then you don't care about the left side, you're on the right side. Across, and C is always across from the right angle. So 10 is the base, and then so you're looking for A. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And A squared stays the same. And then B squared is 10 squared. And C squared is 10 squared.
Remember, B is in 10. It's half of 10.
Oh, is 5 squared. So B is 5 squared. Ooh, I did that good. It was with my left hand too. So you would do 10 minus 5. No, you solve them. So A squared stays the same. B squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. And 10 squared is 100. Those aren't squared. Yeah, and you minus 100 minus 25, which equals 75. 75.
And that's online.
So C equals 75, or A equals 75. Then you go to the chart. And what is it? What number is it?
Place your finger on this too.
75.
And it's closer to 9, so it'll be 8.6. So A equals 8.6.
You want to do one here?
Aaron. Here.
Ellis, how do you do number 7?
Same way.
Is A probably 4, B like 2?
Here.
Tell Jordan to hold right next.
Here, Jordan.
Heck no, dude.
Here we go.
It will. It will.
How you gonna tell me?
How you gonna tell?
I'm not talking. Ellis, you talk. We lost our talker.
So a squared plus b squared is c squared. It doesn't give you the picture, but it tells you the numbers. It says a is 24, b is 32, and we want to solve for c. So we could draw a picture for that. So we could just make ourselves a right triangle. Because the problem with this one is that 32 is not on our chart. Yes. So we can fill in the two short sides are 24 and 32. Leg is 32.
Which one is 32?
The two short sides, not the side across the right angle. 24, 32. Okay, since that's too big, we're going to draw another triangle that's similar but smaller. And we're going to look for a number we can divide both 32 and 24 by. We could divide them by 8. So 32 divided by 8 would be
6. 32 divided by 8. 8 times 4 is 32.
okay, so we can say that left side is 4. But down below. Okay, 24 divided by 8 is 3. So now we can just figure out what is our C for our smaller triangle. So we could do 3 squared plus 4 squared
3 squared, 9.
plus 4 squared.
16.
So 9 plus 16 plus, so 9 plus 16 is
15.
25.
Ow!
16 plus 9 is 25. So C squared would be 25. So we take the square root of 25, which is, we should know, the number times itself. So our little triangle, C would be 5.
So C equals what?
So we can just put it right there.
3, 8,
Okay? So now we look at, if we did 3 times 8 is 24, we could do 5 times 8 is 40. So C on our larger triangle is 40. So 24 squared plus 30 squared is going to equal 40 squared. So we just skipped all the hard work, and we know that C is just 40.
17.8.
And we'll leave you to do the rest on your own. All of you. All of you.
Okay.